Hi folks, one trick for stabilising rock. If you have a material that fractures easily or chips easy or has small perforations, you can soak it in a mix of acetone and epoxy glue. Just mix them together in a jar. Mix it fairly strong, probably about 3 parts acetone to 1 part epoxy glue. I just empty this syringe in there and then put in about so much, and then get yourself a jar and place the item, submerge it, let it soak for a couple of days, then remove it, put it out in the fresh air and let it dry for a couple of days, and the acetone evaporates quickly and the epoxy remains in the pores of the rock and hardens up, which in turn stabilises the rock. So there's a trick for you.